All right, ladies and gentlemen. I do apologize. I've been gone for almost a week. This has been one of the biggest breaks I've taken in YouTube, but I got fairly under the weather, and my voice is just now coming back. So not 100%, but I'm I'm 90. I'd say 90. But anyway, um, man, while I've been gone, like I apologize if I come back and crypto starts going back down, but while I've been gone, crypto's not been doing too bad. Not been doing too shabby. I've definitely been sitting in the bed and watching it and been fairly happy. Now, that doesn't mean that mass or like residential GPU mining has become profitable now. Spoiler alert, it is still not profitable, but it's getting closer. It's getting really close. Sorry about that. I still got a nasty cough. If anybody's been sick lately, man, it's been a rough one. It wasn't the flu or like COVID or anything like that. Just a crazy, nasty like head cold, congestion, all that kind of stuff. But anyway, let's take a look at the market. Jumping on over to CoinMarketCap, we got Bitcoin at $22,800. It's still up 8% over the last 7 days, so that's pretty steady growth. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. This is just for entertainment, but man, would it be nice if it keeps going up? Ethereum, $1,572. XRP, 40 cents. Dogecoin, 8.4 cents. Litecoin, $86.77. Ethereum Classic actually it touched like I believe $23 at one point, but it's 21.46 right now, up 3% over the last 7 days. So just seeing some solid growth over the last week on most what I would consider legitimate coins or legitimate poop coins, if you know what I mean. Now going over to what to mine, I was just looking because I've been mining Caspa on NiceHash, which is K heavy hash. It looks like on 3070s. Obviously, this calculation isn't correct, like 100% correct, but it just gives a ballpark because what to mine's not always 100% efficient by any means. But 3070s are losing 6 cents a day at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Um, Not bad. That's better than it has been. But I noticed Flux or Zelhash, which is Flux, which is Zelhash algorithm, is actually taking the lead, only losing 4 cents a day on a 3070. And I don't think anything else has surpassed that any other time. So Flux is almost a break even. If you were mining for like supplemental heat, um, Flux is not a super hot algorithm, but it still will give you some heat, that's for sure. Um, it is notable that some other coins like Ravencoin, which is a hot algorithm, is not making as much because not because of revenue. It's making 30 cents a day, whereas Flux is making 32, but it's losing 13 cents a day because it is such a power intensive algorithm. I can feel my voice is getting away from me. So, um, I'm probably going to end it a little early before I push it too far. But yeah, I thought maybe we need to take a look at that, and I may end up throwing a card or two onto Flux. Um, it looks like NiceHash does have Zelhash, but it's not. It's underperforming slightly compared to direct mining. Oh man, my my throat's getting a little tight. So anyway, I'm trying to get back in the swing of things. I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Get back to the daily uploads. Adios. Stay safe. If you're sick, I'm feeling for you. If you're not sick, don't get sick. And yeah, I'm gonna go give my voice a break. I haven't even been talking for that long, and it's already just gone. Ah, ah. All right, later, guys.